Hello, today we will see how to scan any document in just 3 simple steps. All you need is a smartphone and you have to open your phone, go to App Store and type QuickScan. You will be diverted to QuickScan document scanner which appears on the topmost position in the App Store. You need to go there and click on install. The app will be installed. If you are an Android user, then you'll have to go to Play Store and follow the same steps. Once you have installed the app, you need to open the app where you will be given a set of instructions and you need to abide by it or ignore it as per your wish. As you move forward in the app, it will also provide you with the features that it comprises of. It will give a little introduction about all the features which include auto scanning of the document, adjusting borders of the document, editing the document, tidying up scans, organizing scanned documents, securing them, extract text using OCR. You can also add signature, stamps, or annotate your document. For all these premium features, you need to subscribe a plan. You can go for a monthly, quarterly, or yearly subscription as per your usability and need. The basic scanning is completely free, as we'll see in this video. All you need to do is place a document in front of your phone camera. The app will on its own scan the document without even clicking scan in the automatic mode. In the manual mode, you'll have to click on the scan button. After scanning, you can save the document by clicking save on the right top side of the app. After saving the document, you'll have to go to the option share, which is on the right bottom. After that, you will be directed to a screen where you'll have to select the format and the file size. We select PDF because that's the most common format used. You can also change the file name so it can help you to easily find this file later. You can either share the document or you can save the document in the folder.